The equipment has a lifting and falling automatic slot scraping system. Gypsum is also known as gypsum due to its properties, building materials that breathe. Equipment covers an area of 150 square meters, depending on the yield. Annual output of 10 to 30,000 of square meters. Gypsum block is made of gypsum powder as raw material. Automatic metering through screw conveying. Go into the mixer and mix it with water, forming a bubble-free slurry, which is poured into the forming mold and evenly distributed. The equipment has a rise and fall type automatic groove scraping system, which can scrape slurry repeatedly to make sure that the blocks are solid inside. The lining mold is beautiful. After the scraped slurry solidifies, it can be put back into the mixer as a coagulant, which means that the whole process will not produce waste. The gypsum block is initially set by the mold inside. Hydraulic cylinders push the blocks out. The mold adopts Q2, 3, or 5 hard chrome plating and achieves mirror polishing. It does not need release agent and non-stick mold to ensure the complete and smooth ejection of the block. After passing through the fixture, smooth and soft wheel block, move to the transport electric vehicle, and sent to the drying field for drying. The dried finished gypsum blocks are packaged and shipped to storage or factory for sale.